How you doing, guys? And we continue with robotics here at mediaboxentlab, and today we got this OMIBOX. The mouse. It's a cat. It's Superman. No, I don't know. Maybe it can be a little mouse. It can be a cat. I'll show you. This is another STEM toy. We can call it a toy. Maybe it's not more likely to call it a toy because I think it's beyond that. Very important. It's STEM. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. That's the idea, guys. That's the idea. So let me show you this product right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT.com, and we got this great OMIBOX. Little mouse, little cat. We're gonna go put together. In this video today is an open box, so you guys can see what we're getting. And if you see, almost every other weekend or every other week, right? We get all these cool projects. Remember that we are live every Saturday after 1 o'clock, between 12 to 1 o'clock, and what we build things. Like eventually you will see the show coming up for this little OMIBOX. Every Saturday we put things together. Normally takes things, how complicated the project gets. Sometimes takes 1 Saturday, sometimes takes 2 Saturdays, where we work with the Raspberry Pi, or either in this case with this old nice product we're gonna show you right now. All right, let's take a look. So here we see the OMIBOX and programmable age 10 and up, right? But always, and that's what all the instructions how to put this together. And if you look in here, this will show all the products that this company has, and I think it's somewhere here what this guy looks like, and that's exactly the guy. I will leave the link right below. I think it's real cool. This is much easy. If you guys have seen other project we build, I think this is much easier to put together, right? You don't need to program your Raspberry Pi or anything. The nice thing, it has an API, so you can control this with, let's say, with your phone, or you can reprogram the thing, right? You can use a remote control and put the code there, simple through the lines in, and it comes with this like a map, not like a map, but it's supposed to, when you put this robot, it will follow the line. So this robot you program and it follows. So it comes with this part, or part of the whole kit. So here we have it's all the the electronic part is all pre-assembled, right? So we have like this main board here with the motors. We have the buzzer right there. We see some like infrared sensors. I think that maybe this is for the wheel to count rotation. I'm thinking we see 2 LED lights, and nice. We see more I think it's received and transmitted in LED light, maybe just to check how far, or when you know, checking something like a wall, something that way. Here is like a switch. I'm not sure what this one will do. Oh, this I can see here. I see the antenna, so this has to be, this is the Wi-Fi, and I see a photo cell right there, on and off switch, and another 2 LEDs right over here because it light up inside the box. But that's the antenna. So this is the Wi-Fi connection. So you can, that way you can program this remote. Comes with the battery already. You don't need to go buy the battery. We have the micro USB and Type A for charging, and we have the Q phase, right, of the little here. And we see another sensor here, another infrared, another 2 LEDs right over there, micro USB, the input, and this is like the face of the guy, right? And that has to be like a type of sensor or something right over there. Right, we just picking real fast. We just got this today over the mail. And then over here we have another LED light there, another sensor. Oh, it's an LED light actually there. Some of the wheels. And this is like the one because it only has two wheels, right? So this will be more one, like the tripod, the one that holds the little cat or the truck. So we see here the 2 wheels. The little box, it's kind of cute. It's small, as you see. It's a semi-transparent here, so you can pick inside. It has more things right there, and remote control would allow you to control this. You turn the light on. Okay, see forward, beep beep right over here, and enter some of the code. That's why it has a receiver right there, so we can control that. I think it's pretty cute to put together. It's very important. It's an STEM toy, and I think this one definitely in an hour or so, maybe a little more, you can put together. I think this much easy project. There's some we building later. They have some that are not complicated, but they are more intense on programming, and you have to work. This one is based on Arduino, so this one has Arduino Uno here. So we're trying to bring Arduino as much as possible as well too. We have a lot of great projects we're trying to get together, and and some maybe big ones, right? So remember, Saturdays we are here, and this eventually we're going to be putting this together. So check it out. So if you're interested to get this before we build it, I'll leave you the link right below. I'll see you next time. Bye.